Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can actually wire up a push button switch to use as a digital input. So this is a little push button switch. Yours may have a different color, look a little bit different. There are two wires on it. When you press the button, you hear the click. And that means it's making an electrical connection between those 2 points. So how we use this on the breadboard, it's very important. A couple of things. One is that when we plug it in, we want to make sure it's going in this orientation, because that will connect the wires to both of those columns that we're connecting to. Let's say columns, for example, 11 and 13 here. If you plugged it in this way, where the wires are going on the same column, it'll short it out. It will not work. So let me go ahead and plug that in between 11 and 13, like that. So now it's plugged in. And let's say, for example, we want to use digital input 10. Well, I'm going to connect that one wire on that side. Move it a little bit, down one row. So we're going to connect one side of the switch over to digital input 10, right there, like that. And then the other side we're going to connect to ground. So I'm going to plug that in there, and I've got the ground bus connected all the way across here. And how I did that is by taking this little wire here from ground over to the minus. That connects all, that whole strip is now going to be at the ground potential, ground connection. Okay? So that's all there is to it. We're going to be using the input pull-up command. That'll make sure we have a pull-up resistor. If we don't, that input could be floating and it may give you an erroneous reading. Okay, so that's all you need to know for wiring up digital inputs for this lab.